Dennis Ritchie, creator of C. Dennis Ritchie, 1941 to 2011, was an American computer scientist at Bell Labs. He created the C programming language in the early 1970s and co-developed Unix with Ken Thompson. His work laid the foundation for modern operating systems and programming languages like C++, Java, and C#. Bjarne Stroustrup, creator of cPlusplus. Bjarne Stroustrup is a Danish computer scientist who developed cPlusplus in 1979 at Bell Labs. Initially called C with classes, C++ added object-oriented programming to C. It is widely used in game engines, operating systems, and high-performance applications. Anders Hejlsberg, creator of Citasetsa. Anders Hejlsberg is a Danish software engineer and lead architect at Microsoft. He designed C# in 2000 as part of the .NET framework, combining the power of C++ with the simplicity of Java. He also worked on Turbo Pascal and TypeScript. James Gosling, creator of Java. James Gosling is a Canadian computer scientist who created Java in 1995 at Sun Microsystems. Known for Write Once, Run Anywhere, Warhammer. Java powers Android apps, enterprise software, and web servers. Brendan Eich, creator of JavaScript. Brendan Eich is an American technologist who created JavaScript in just 10 days in 1995 while at Netscape. JavaScript became the core language of the web, powering interactive websites and modern frameworks. He later co-founded Mozilla and Brave browser. Rasmus Lerdorf, creator of PHP. Rasmus Lerdorf is a Danish-Canadian programmer who created PHP in 1994. Initially developed as personal homepage tools, PHP is now one of the most popular languages for web development and server-side scripting. Yukihiro Matsumoto, creator of Ruby. Yukihiro Matsumoto, also known as Mats, is a Japanese computer scientist. He created Ruby in 1995, focusing on simplicity and productivity. Ruby powers the Ruby on Rails framework, popular for modern web apps. Guido van Rossum, creator of Python. Guido van Rossum is a Dutch programmer who created Python in 1991. Python is known for its readability, simplicity, and versatility used in AI, data science, and web development. Larry Wall, creator of Perl. Larry Wall is an American programmer who created Perl in 1987. Perl was widely used for system administration, text processing, and web development. Known for its flexibility and "there's more than one way to do it" philosophy.